जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, और साथियों जो होगा वो भी अच्छा होगा।
A major political upheaval took place in Haryana on Tuesday amid the Lok Sabha elections. Clouds of crisis are looming over the future of the Nayab Singh Saini government that was formed about 2 months ago. The Saini government of the state seems to be entangled in political arithmetic. In fact, till now, 3 independent MLAs who supported the BJP government have stood with the Congress. I am Vishal Upadhyay and you are watching India TV. So what is the current situation of the Saini government in Haryana and will the BJP government collapse? Let's find out. The 3 MLAs include Randhir Golan of Pundri, Dharampal Gundar of Nilokheri and Somveer Sangwan of Charkhi Dadri. All 3 independent MLAs said that in view of all the issues including the problems of farmers, they are withdrawing support from the Saini government. Reacting to the development, the Haryana CM targeted Congress, saying maybe the grand old party is engaged in fulfilling some people's wishes now and the party has nothing to do with the wishes of the public.
शायद क्योंकि कांग्रेस आजकल इच्छाएं पूरी करने में लगी हुई है और लोग समझ रहे हैं, लोग सब जानते हैं कि इसकी इच्छा क्या है, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को जैसे कांग्रेस है, कांग्रेस को जनता की इच्छाओं से मतलब नहीं है, उनको तो अपनी इच्छाओं से मतलब है कि हमने अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी करनी है। कांग्रेस लगी हुई है उनकी इच्छाएं पूरी करने में और आगे तो जनता ने उनकी इच्छाएं पूरी करनी है।
So what is the current situation of the Saini government in Haryana? Let's try to understand it through statistics. Haryana has 90 assembly constituencies. After JJP withdrew its support, 41 BJP MLAs and 6 independent MLAs apart from Gopal Kanda were supporting the Saini government. That means the Saini government had the support of 48 MLAs. But now the political equations have changed in the state. Manohar Lal Khattar and independent MLA Ranjit Chautala are contesting the Lok Sabha elections on the BJP symbol. Both of them have left the membership of the assembly. That means the Saini government was left with the support of 46 MLAs. Now out of these 3 independent MLAs have now stood with the Congress. This means that in the current situation, the Saini government has the support of only 43 MLAs. After the resignation of former Haryana CM Manohar Lal Khattar and Ranjit Chautala, the number of MLAs in the state assembly is 88. According to this, the support of 45 MLAs is needed for the majority, which does not seem to be fulfilled. On the other hand, Congress says that Nayab Singh Saini governments of Haryana has lost the majority mark. Former CM and Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda has demanded the imposition of president's rule in the state and holding assembly elections as soon as possible.
देखिए, मॉरल राइट खत्म हो गया सरकार का, प्रशासन का, और उन सरकार को तुरंत पद छोड़ देना चाहिए, इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू कर देना चाहिए ताकि निष्पक्ष चुनाव हो जाए।
So will the BJP government collapse? In terms of the number strength of the assembly, the government was reduced to the minority. However, it does not mean that the government will collapse. At present, there is no threat to the government in Haryana. Saini took an oath as Chief Minister on March 12 this year after the floor test in the assembly. According to the rule, there must be a gap of 6 months between 2 floor tests. In such a situation, the opposition cannot bring a no confidence motion till September 2024 and assembly elections are to be held in Haryana in October-November this year. These factors indicate that the BJP government in Haryana is secure for the time being. That's all for now. Keep watching India TV for more updates.